Hey, what's up everyone?
Hey guys, it's nice to see you again. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new and this is the first time you've seen our faces and known of our existence, hello, hi, how you doing? You, my friend, look beautiful today.
So as you all know, the 12th of April has come and gone. Everyone's gone out to do their shopping, and as you see behind us, we've also done a bit of damage to our bank accounts.
So we're gonna give you a haul
Of what we got.
essentially.
And moving on to it. Let's start with
Stradivarius.
well, we're not starting with Stradivarius, but there's two things in here that's from H&M, so I'll start with that first. But I got socks because everyone needs socks, and Primark didn't want to have any normal socks that I get, so that was one thing. And then also from H&M, I got this cute little top with the little ruchy side things. It was only £10. I was like, why not? And she says I need more colour in my wardrobe.
Yeah, I was thinking
So this
white
is me adding colour in my wardrobe. And in case you're wondering,
oh, but is your wedding colour today?
yeah!
We've been here for like half an hour.
And then now she's realised.
Because you're like, yeah, add more colour. I was like, yeah, and then you put it towards you. And I was like, wait
A sec. And
yeah,
in case anyone's wondering, I got this in an extra small. And yeah, that's that from this store.
In this H&M bag, to be fair, I only bought one item. And I bought this, what would I call this? So I bought this top like this. I'm sorry if I have to like cover
It's got
you.
a cute little, what do you call it? The cinching in thing here.
But
the
they,
wrist.
you know the thing when they cut the wrist, I don't know what it's called, but yeah. And then just wear like that. I feel it would go nice with some jeans or whatever. But
I think like
mom jeans,
well,
blue.
I first was going to say that, but I think the sleeves might be too loose for mum jeans. I don't know, it depends how it works.
To be fair, I'm not going to try it on
In this video.
yeah, we're not actually going to try anything on for you guys in this video because we have plans with these stuff for the next couple videos, so don't worry.
You will get a try on, it's just not in this
here,
one.
yeah. But that's what I got from H&M.
It's a cute top though. You know what, since I already have the Stradivarius bag out, I will just now actually show what I got from here. So, I mainly went in to get these mum jeans, right? Which is these ones, sorry. It has the little like knee rip there, because I've got mum jeans that are ripped, but they're like all the way down the leg. So I wanted ones that were just, you know, the normal basic ones. And it's like a nice blue. And then when I was in the line, I saw this top, and clearly we've got a running theme here because I picked up another purple top.
She asked me if she should
Yeah,
buy
I did
it, and I was like, yeah, buy it.
She's like, get it
No,
now.
but to be fair, I'm that type of okay, this sounds a bit bad. I'm that person. If you ask me, oh, should
You're
I buy
just
it?
gonna say,
I'll be
yeah.
like, yeah, buy it, get it, because it's not my money. It's
Well,
not
I mainly
my money.
asked because it was like the style, not the style of it, but like the colour and all that. I was like, as much as I like purple, sometimes I don't know if certain tones of colours suit me. So that's mainly why I asked. But I thought this top and like the jeans, I feel like they would go really nicely together. And I did actually try it on like together, even with the other top from H&M. And I feel like they go really nice because of the colours, because they complement each other, because it's like a light blue and a light purple. But yeah, that was it that I got from Stradivarius.
Stradivarius. Where's my bag? Stradivarius time, guys.
This is one thing she's actually been eyeing out.
The minute I saw it on,
Because we went twice.
we went twice.
So we went on Tuesday,
So
the day after it opened.
13th. No, yeah, it was Tuesday the 13th, and then we went again on Friday the
to actually do
16th to buy. And I saw this, and hear me out. You guys are gonna be like, what's this? But you know what? This is gonna
I
be
feel
like,
like we're hyping it so much, and
It's
people are
not
going to be
even
like, it's the
hype,
deadest shirt ever.
it's not the deadest shirt ever. I got this shirt.
Let's give it justice here. Where's the sleeves at?
Alright, cool. Obviously, it's pretty cool. Let me tell you about this shirt. You can wear it with green, yellow, purple, pink. I was gonna say blue. No, I feel like you can throw a little blue one.
With blue denim you could, or like even denim shorts.
I just feel like it's a really cute shirt. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I tried it on, and I saw this sleeve,
Do you think it wasn't going to fit?
no, I thought it reminded me of secondary school.
Oh yeah.
Basically, like one of our
secondary school,
we had like collared shirts, and our one was green.
Yeah, because
right?
this is basically what
this
dictated.
is the shade of green.
Literally, it was
so I
this
wore
shade.
it, and I looked down, and I was like, whoa, like.
Because our school, for some
flashback.
reason, wanted our shirts to dictate our year group and not just do a basic tie like every other school does. And this was
I feel like
literally our
the
shirt. Like we look like a tree because the rest of the uniform was brown.
and- yeah, but I feel like this would be really cute. I can just like.
I think
throw
either
it on.
as a shirt to wear or as a throw over shirt, I think it'd be really nice. I'll go on to JD. Nothing really special from JD. You're saying that, but I buy from kids, so it's not like that anymore. But guys, we all know that I've had my crusty, musty, dusty Air Force sizes for quite possibly the longest time. So I've only got them finally.
Look how white they are.
I should have got my
Wait,
ones.
let me go get her other ones.
Oh.
Okay, let's sit down. Let's do this. Look at the colour difference. Wait. Ew.
But yeah, as you saw, this has been used and abused for many, many days, many, many months, I was gonna say many years, probably 1 year. So I thought it was time to get myself a new pair. And yeah, that was pretty much it that I got. It was the only reason I kind of went into JD. I wasn't going there for anything else.
Okay, what's next? What's next? Zara. Zara. Okay, from Zara, this is where we're gonna have a little talk, we're gonna have a little chat, right? I got this pink shirt. This pink shirt, right? Really cute shirt, let me tell you that.
Basically like the same as the other ones.
Yes.
Like the style of it.
Okay, hear me out now. Obviously, I know they're two different shirts, right? They are two different shirts, even though the brands as a whole are the same.
They're like sister brands.
Yeah. So let me tell you about the shirt. I wore it, it fits fine, right?
Oh yeah, I meant to ask you how that fit.
It fit fine, but it doesn't button. But if I want to wear it as a like normal throw
Like
on,
an overshirt.
yeah, it will fit fine. But those two shirts,
so does that one button up?
This one buttons up, this shirt buttons up, but this shirt does not button up.
Did you get them both in the same size?
Why am I shouting? I bought them both in the same size. I bought them both in the medium because I tried it on, I physically tried this on. This I had like 2 minutes to buy it.
Maybe this one isn't the joint life and that one is.
No, this is not.
I learned something on TikTok that apparently some come as a square like up there and some comes as a triangle. And if it's one, it's because it's true to size, and if it's another one, it's because it comes up small, so you should size up. Don't ask me what the difference was, I forgot.
But you know, they have this in white very quickly. I'm gonna buy the white.
Part of me wants to try on the white just to see what it looks like. Because I think that pink is too pink for me. I don't think I could put it off.
Yeah, I say buy it and then we can match, even though I'm gonna buy the white as well.
That's basically what she cares for. It's a match.
Match. But in all honesty, it's okay, it's fine, you know. Even though they're the same size, from the same goddamn sister brand, they all don't want to fit. But you know what, it's fine. But when I eventually get the white, I promise you, we'll have, with the triangle and everything, I'm really ramping this up. I'm going to iron it. We will get there. We will get there. I'll wear the white and show you, what I'm talking about. I feel like this is the moment people have been waiting for.
And
what did she buy from
It's
Primark?
going to be such a build up for nothing.
No, it's going to be so underwhelming. Underwhelming.
It's going to be anticlimactic.
Primark. Now, hear me out. I don't shop at Primark, so.
The thing is, right, I actually do, but I just didn't find anything that I liked. Everything that was all over TikTok that people have been hyping up, forget it. It was not there. I couldn't find it.
It's probably just one we went to.
Probably.
I'm not going to say which one we went to. We went to Stratford, but you know what? Stratford was just busy.
But to be fair, Stratford's always busy.
To be fair, I have one item. Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Look at him. Look at the Mickey Mouse. Look at the Mickey Mouse. If you know me, or obviously you guys don't know me, some of you do, but I'm a Disney lover. So I saw it and I was like,
I have to
buy it.
The thing is, I was actually looking for pajamas, but I didn't want shorts. I actually wanted long trousers, but I couldn't find any that I liked. And I'm not just gonna buy a pajama for the sake of buying a pajama. You get what I mean? I kind of want to get a nice one.
These are nice.
Yeah, for you.
I can wear them in Disneyland.
You can.
And I can still wear them here in summer.
You also can
exactly. So don't come for my Disney pajamas.
I'm not coming for them.
I'm gonna
fight you.
I'm gonna fight you while you do like these. Fight you then.
Anyways, moving on. I'll just show what I've got from Pretty Little Thing, which actually came today. Came this morning, which is why it's open. But I'll show you guys this because this wasn't in this part of this
haul.
No, bag. Yeah, this wasn't part of this order. But remember how in our April 12th outfits I said I wanted to get a cute little shoulder bag? Well, I've got it now. Now I can do all the fancy cute outfits that all these girls on Instagram were doing.
I thought you were gonna say all those bags that everyone has on TikTok. You know when they have like a bag wall.
Oh no.
And you just hang it up.
Oh no.
I feel like you should aspire to do that.
I don't have that many bags.
Well, that's why you make a collection.
Stop collecting. But anyways, I got this one. I think it's cute, and like the space is actually quite spacious. Roomy? Yeah, it's quite roomy. Like as in everything that I need to leave the house in, I could fit in it. So that's that. But into the actual main thing that I got. Now I actually got it in 2 separate orders because after I placed this order, I remembered I wanted this, and then I was like, oh, let me quickly do it now. Hopefully it comes together, and it did. But I just got another pair of the Cyclone shorts. They look very tiny, but they do fit well. They kind of don't. They're kind of too small, but they go up. So we just move on with it. But I got these from the petite section because this bit isn't as long, like as in from the normal section. This bit goes like all the way up to here, whereas these actually just sit on the belly button. So I got these. And then I got this little like 3-piece set. So I got the joggers, hoodie, and the top. So I'll show the top first. This little bodysuit. I think it's cute. It says pretty
It
little
is
thing.
cute, and it's colour.
See? I'm branching out.
Better than black and white and beige.
I don't really have that many beige.
Well, beige, brown, that's what I thought of.
Oh, okay.
I think when I say brown, I think of like the bag colours.
Oh, right, got you. But yeah, it's this top. But I actually got the hoodie in a 2, but I should have gotten a 4 because the sleeves are too short. This is the hoodie. It's this bit. This bit's just too short on
You
me.
can see it like...
Yeah, you can tell by watching.
Yeah.
Well, to be fair, it's them, you know, them drop down. So this doesn't sit on your shoulder.
Oh, okay.
It like sits here. But even then, this bit is just too short. But that's the hoodie.
Oh, it says POT on the sleeve.
Yeah,
on the slow.
On the sleeves.
On the sleeves.
Yeah, it says PLT. So I'm going to return that one and get the 4. And then the joggers, I actually got in a 2 because of the length. I didn't want it to be too long on me. So these are the joggers. And then it just says PLT. Well, it says pretty little thing down the side of the leg. But yeah, it's got the drawstring, it's got pockets, it's fleece lined, and I know. Why are you giggling at?
You said pockets.
Really?
Yeah.
Anyway, it's got pockets. I'm sorry. The thing is, no one understands why we're finding this funny.
It's her nickname. It's a nickname for her.
It's a nickname for me that someone's given me. But the point being is, now every time she hears the word pockets, she thinks of me, which makes her laugh. Now, this is fleece line, and I know we're hitting into summer, but let's be honest here. UK summer is not the same as going to Spain, Greece, whatever.
Barbados.
It's not as warm, let's say. So I feel like this for like an evening summer outfit, I think would have been nice because you could just wear the bodysuit in the day, throw the hoodie on in the evening, and you're good to go. And I feel like with the bag, you know, the white and like the muted pink, it goes really nice together. So
Do you feel like sophisticated with the bag?
yeah, I feel older. I feel my age. I actually feel 22.
Ew.
I know. You know what? That's actually the first time I've said it out loud that I'm 22 and it hasn't set in yet. But yeah, that pretty much sums up what I got in general.
Rightio for... Oh my goodness, I forgot how heavy this is. For the last and certainly not least, in this bag we have from
HomeSense.
We have
TK-Maxx.
Ikea and HomeSense. We got 3 in 1, guys.
3 in 1,
like,
yeah. So actually she'll tell you what each item it was
Okay.
from. So, first item in the bag of wonders.
we have this lovely
A
fluffy,
blanket. It's not a blanket. It's definitely a carpet.
this lovely rug.
Rug, carpet, rug.
You know how like I've been saying I'm doing my, I don't think I've mentioned it or not. You know, I stopped mentioning it because you know them ones that are like, yeah, I'm doing this, it's coming, but then it's like you don't see it. I'm not mentioning too much, but I got this for my bedroom. It's coming. Those of you that know, I'm like redecorating my bedroom. There's gonna be a whole room transformation plus makeover video, all of that kind of stuff, you know. Anyways, but this lovely rug.
This whole time you've been talking, I've just been caressing the
I
damn
know,
rug.
I know it's really soft. I'm sorry, you have to put the rug away now.
Where did you get it from?
This was from TK-Maxx. Very quickly, I also bought one similar to this but a lot longer, which I will insert a picture, I don't know, maybe here, we'll insert a picture here maybe. And that was from Daniella, but it was a bit too long just to like,
To show.
to bring around. It wouldn't even fit on the camera.
Probably wouldn't have.
No.
But just imagine that one in like a longer version,
Yeah,
really.
it's similar to that. Sorry, I was trying to say my words and it was just like, yeah. I bought, okay, TK-Maxx. Let me give you a pro tip. If you see something in TK-Maxx you want, buy it there and then because guarantee you're going to go to another one and you're not going to find it.
Wait, what's this called?
The Dream Dictionary.
An A to Z guide to dream symbols and psychology.
Yeah, so whatever your dream is, it's got a little thing.
The meaning.
The meaning behind your dream,
Wait.
essentially.
I'm sorry, where you stopped there was, it said murder.
Wait, where does it say murder?
I don't know, but I saw
Oh, there.
it.
Are you murdering someone? If the person is someone close, the dream may be expressing repressed hostility and resentment. There's another meaning, but you know what?
That's a bit
Extreme. Right. This is from Ikea. A lovely decor plants to go. They were just like trying to fit it,
make it
fix
look pretty. You know, give it its to full capacity. Someone out there might like her.
This little cute plant from Ikea.
Them little hanging
Plants.
Keeping with the plant theme.
We got another small plant. I don't know, I just feel like they're nice, you know, that's the best I can say.
And I feel like this in between, like let's say you had that one in the middle and like these around it.
No.
Hey, now comes the fun time.
The fun, oh, this is my favourite section, right?
Well,
you're giving too much away.
Let's keep with Ikea.
Ikea got a candle. This is like a summer fruit kind of.
It smells really nice. I've had this candle before.
Smell it.
Jesus. It does smell really nice.
Yeah. So we got this candle from Ikea. We have this candle, this vanilla ice cream one that I had to top up
Oh,
on.
it's vanilla ice cream.
I got this candle from Ikea, which is
It's a lot of Ikea candles.
God, that's the best place to get them. What's this? A lime, like a lime and strawberry.
This one does smell really nice.
Yeah.
I feel like this one's a bit new because I don't think I've ever seen it.
No, this is quite new. This one is from TK-Maxx. I don't actually know the brand. It just says S&F. What does this smell like? I can slightly smell it. I forgot.
Sand and fog.
Yeah, but it doesn't smell as it
California
sounds.
Beach House. When I read California Beach House, for some reason I can interpret that in the smell. I don't know why. It literally just smells like you've gone to the beach. Let's say like you had a private beach in the background.
I can smell it.
I can smell.
I can smell. My nose is like I sound nasally, but it's fine. I can smell it.
And last one.
This one, I think you showed me this.
Yeah, I think I showed it.
This one is a luminous. I was about to say vanilla, luminous lavender and rose smelling.
The thing is, I don't think she'd like it because she don't like lavender smelling candles.
No.
I don't know, this one just screams to me like fresh, almost like when you think lavender, to me it doesn't smell of like the lavender flower.
That's why I liked it.
It almost smells a bit like, like, this is gonna sound weird, but you know the toilet sprays, but like that are designed for the toilet. I don't know how to, it's like,
I know what you mean,
okay, you know,
but
like
that's not what it smells like.
You know, like Febreze.
Yeah.
To me,
Febreze
it gives
nice.
me that sort of scent. It's the best thing I'm going to be able to explain without you being able to smell it. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up our little shopping trip that we did.
We hope you guys enjoyed seeing our haul, what we bought.
Basically our part one.
These are all the things we got. We hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Make sure to turn on post notifications so you know when we next upload.
And you, beautiful human right there.
I don't think we forgot.
Don't forget to follow our social medias, which will be here on the screen or will be linked down below. That was so aggressive. I was like, that was aggressive.
But yeah, it'll be linked down below. And
come back next week. I promise you, come back next week for part 2 of what we're doing. It'll be a fun part 2. But
yeah, we will see you guys next week.
That's all for now. Bye.
Bye.